Welcome to Landager. Here is how to change your password while you are logged into your dashboard. First, look to the top right of your screen. Click your profile icon and select Settings. Make sure you are on the Security tab. You will see the Password section. Instead of asking for your current password, our system prioritizes security while keeping things simple. Just type in your new password and type it a second time to confirm. Once you are ready, click Save. To verify your identity, we will instantly send a secure one-time password, or OTP, to your registered email address. Open your email, find the code, and enter it into the verification screen. Once your code is verified, your new password is set, and your account is secure. Thanks for using Landager.